Kelly, are you sure you don't want to be part of the intro video?
I got it.
You can be in the intro video. Just because you're on the toilet doesn't mean you don't have something good to say. Okay, this is our intro to Outer Banks video. Kelly, what do you want to say?
Go in another room.
Alright guys, we're going to be gone for just like 3 or 4 days. Wait, Kelly, what do you need?
Somewhere else.
Kelly, are you in the bathroom?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I'm just filming and saying goodbye to the cats.
It's not important.
Bye, Sir Robbie.
We got it.
Anyways, okay, what's up, everyone? This is the beginning of our Outer Banks family trip vlog that I'm gonna do. So pumped about it. Kelly and I are packing up now. And there you can see her waving. Hello. There you go. And we're about to go to the Outer Banks tonight through Monday with the family. It's gonna be awesome. So this one is a little extra special because my grandmother is going to make her way out. She's definitely getting a little more advanced in age, and we're excited to have her out. And this used to be something that she did all the time growing up. I haven't been there in 10 years, so Kelly's never been. So we're going to go and just celebrate family time and really take in all of that awesomeness and being around everyone, and just really try to enjoy every moment of it we can. And I'm going to take some pictures and videos along the way. So thanks for watching it, and here we go. Man, we've got this thing packed to the brim. Oh yeah. All right, you ready? Ready to rock and roll. All right, we've got everything in the Jeep, packed completely full. We don't know where we're gonna sleep tonight. We think there's a campsite called Joe and Kay's campground. They don't take reservations, they don't answer the phone, and we're gonna, we'll see. We're gonna just show up, but we are leaving the apartment now, and we're gonna have ourselves a little prayer for our journey, but we got a little 5 hours to the beach, and here we go. All right. It's late at night, but we're on a bridge. You can't see it out there, but that's all water.
That's a lot of water.
I know. It's the alligator river.
Can't see anything but we made it.
I know. So this is Joe and Kay's campground.
We don't need to go in there tonight.
She said keep going till you see picnic tables, and everywhere there's a picnic table is a campsite. She also said don't be loud. Oh, here we go. Tenants and guests only, private property, no trespassing. Okay, so this is the camp.
Yeah.
This is the spot for tents. And here.
Let's go to the right.
Right there?
Yeah.
There's literally a tent right there.
Yeah, right here. Like.
I know, but I don't want to set right next to a
There's
tent.
tents everywhere, sweetie. So I don't know if you can hear me, but we set up the tent. Even them walking. But Caleb's over here. Blowing up our air mattress, if you can see.
Alright, we made it to our camp. Oh, we've got our tent set up there. There's a pond, and we're currently airing up the. You can't see it on the ground in front of me, but we're airing up the air mattress right there. So we're gonna sleep here for the night, and we will touch base in the morning. Our bed is bigger than our bed is bigger than the here. I don't think it's gonna fit. Keep open, it's going in. Okay, so we made it. Night number 1. We have air mattress inside of a tent. It's very small. We tried to find the bathrooms and we accidentally walked up on some old lady's deck. And she walked outside and was like, "What are you doing?" And then pointed us towards the actual bathrooms. Kind of embarrassed about that. Tomorrow, Kelly's got us at the coffee shop. And I hope that we sleep good tonight. Should be good.